Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a GIF on the GIF Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the create button down below, which is the first option, and after that tap on photo to GIF. Then select your pictures that you want to include in your GIF. Then click on the next button in the upper right corner of the screen. So here you can see how it looks like. If you want to add more pictures to it, click on this button at the top of the screen and tap on the plus icon and you can add more pictures to it. Click on the done button down below or at the top, and you are going to see that all of the new entries have been added to your GIF. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.